What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I am super excited because I'm doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm going to take this past week's restock for my slime shop and I'm going to mix it all together, see what kind of color we get, see how it smells with all the different scents going on. It's going to be very interesting. If you're excited for this video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Come join the fam. Speaking of the unicorn fam, here are the unicorn fam shout outs for today. Thank you all so much for being here. You know the unicorn fam has a special place in my heart. I love you all so much. You are the people who have notifications on. You're the first ones to be here and I am so thankful for that, so thank you. If you would like to be a part of the unicorn fam and you would like to have your comment shouted out here on my video, then make sure you comment down below #unicorn fam and make sure you're subscribed. Also y'all, I am super happy and super excited for this particular video just because today is actually my 2-year anniversary here on YouTube. It is so crazy. I started my YouTube channel February 11th, 2016 and it's just so wild. Like 2 years have gone by so fast. I've grown so much. I am so grateful and thankful. I'm just mind blown. All the support that I've gotten from my unicorn fam has just like amazed me. So thank you so much for that. Just pay attention to this video because there's going to be special Amazon codes for some gift cards throughout the entire video. They're going to be hidden. They're not going to be like my last video that I did where they were like out in the open. These are going to be hidden, so you're going to have to really look for them. Make sure you're paying attention and you could get some stuff on Amazon with the Amazon gift card. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, firstly, I have two things to say. So this is inspired by my friend Ameerah from Just Ameerah. She is one of my great friends. She is a part of the Washed Up Well crew. I love her so much. She actually did a mixing my restock type of video. I will make sure to link that down below so that you can go ahead and check it out. So that's why I'm doing that, because I was totally inspired by her. Secondly, if you hear any like super hard breathing or if you hear anything moving, it is my puppy. I actually got a puppy. His name is Holden and you will meet him soon. If you want to meet him already, you can actually go over to his Instagram because he does have an Instagram that I created for him. It is at JosephAnthonii. He already has 1,000 followers on Instagram, just saying. I'll have a video up soon just introducing you all to Holden and letting you all kind of see him, letting you know what he likes to eat and what he likes to do in his free time, which, spoiler alert, is sleeping. But anyways, let's get to the restocking video. I just wanted to let you all know if you hear some random noises, it's probably him. Alrighty y'all, so I have this huge bowl here and I am going to dump every single one of these slimes. I'm not going to take little pieces out and put them in there. Every single one of these 8 ounces is going in. I believe there's 13 of them, if I'm not mistaken. So let's do it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to start off with is this one right here. This one I believe is, I don't have these labeled, but this one is Chanel number 5. I know for sure because it is scented like cherry bubble gum and it's really, really good. This is actually a snow fizz slime, so there is a bunch of plastic snow in here which makes it super crunchy. Hopefully y'all can hear a little bit of the sizzle and the popping noises that this makes. It's a really nice slime. I love it so much. So that one is going in for sure. Next up, let's add this one. This one here is Red Velvet Oreo. Oh, I love the scent of this one. It smells just like a Red Velvet Oreo. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that in there. And I am gonna give you all a close-up look once I start mixing it, so don't you worry for those of you who love the ASMR aspect of things. I got you, boo. I got you. Next up, we're adding in Captain Crunch cereal. This one's nice and thick. Okay. Oh, let's do Cute to Me. So Cute to Me is one of my favorite ones. This one is scented like grapefruit and it's really nice. It has a rainbow, you know, charm in there. Super cute. Next up, this one here is White Chocolate Melt. It's another one of my favorites. I mean, they're all my favorites, honestly, but this one is like super, super thick, y'all. Almost like Chanel thick. Like, he is thick. So we're gonna toss that one in there. You hear the poking noises? Ah, I didn't mix it. I was just poking that one. Sorry, didn't mean to make you cringe. Alright, next one. Let's do Merlot. This one here is a clay slime that is scented like Black Cherry Merlot. It is a scent from Bath & Body Works, so if you've ever smelled this at Bath & Body Works, then you know exactly what it smells like. It's so creamy. I love it. So we're going to dump Merlot right there. Next up on the color wheel, let's do Crybaby Bubblegum right here. This is a great one too. This one is scented like cotton candy bubblegum. Has a bunch of foam beads in it. Super, super nice. Let's see, what else? Let's do this one right here. This one is Pinky Promise. It is a glitter slime, and it's completely unscented, so this one's a good one if you have like scent allergies. If you pick this one up, then you're golden. This Restock, it sold out in about an hour and a half, I believe, so we did really, really good. Look at the little hearts that are in there. So beautiful. I love this one so much. All the color that you're seeing in this slime is actually coming from like a super like fine micro shimmer glitter. It's very, very pretty. Okay, so next up we're throwing in Pop's Chocolate Milkshake, and Pop actually comes with a little chocolate charm. It's like a little chocolate bar that's like half eaten. It's super, super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and put him over here on this side because we have a charm on this side. I think that just makes sense. Okay, next up we have Confetti Love Cake. So we're gonna go ahead and empty this one in there as well. This is a really nice cream cheese slime, and it has some confetti sprinkles in it. I really, really like this one. So that one's in. Next one is Berry Sweet. I love that name. I think it's super cute. That one can go right here. All of like the different kind of purple, because I put 2 different colors of purple beads in there. It looks super cute together. I really enjoy it. And last but not least, we have my queen, Chanel number 2. It's kind of sad to see her go like this, but you know, it has to be done. It has to be done. Boom. So all 12 or 13, I didn't even count, are in this bowl here. I am super shook. What color do you think this is gonna be? I always ask you all this when I'm doing a slime smoothie, just to, you know, kind of see what y'all are thinking. I'm thinking that it's probably gonna turn out some kind of like pink or purple, but then again, we do have a brown slime in here, so I'm really not sure how that's gonna go. But in the comment section down below, go ahead and pause this video, let me know what color you think it's gonna be, and then come back and let's mix it all together. Alrighty, y'all, well, if you guessed a very, very cute purple color, then you were right. This is so crazy. It actually looks very, very cute. I think I am going to go ahead and sell a couple of these, so there will only be like 12 or 13 available. However, I'm going to name this Unicorn Puke or Unicorn Barf, because if unicorns like literally just threw up in a bowl, this is exactly how it would look. There are some foam beads in there, there are some clay sprinkles, It just looks and smells very, very good and very cute actually. Are you surprised that it came out like such a cute color? I was really not planning on it being cute because of the brown, the chocolate milkshake slime that was there. I was like, yo bro, you're totally gonna mess it up, but no, it looks very, very cute. I can't really even explain the texture either. Like, it feels really thick yet very soft as well. I mean, there was a cloud cream in here, you know, there was clear slime in here, there's a cream cheese slime, just a bunch of different textures going into this. Really cool. And the coolest part of this is there's 2 charms in there, so 2 lucky people, whoever purchases, are going to have the charms as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So this here will be available in the February 16th restock. So if you want to go ahead and try to grab this one, I suggest you get there early because like I said, there's only going to be a little bit of these. So, you know. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I'm really obsessed with the texture of this. I don't know why, but slime smoothies always have the best texture and you can never like replicate that. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Again, thank you so much for making 2 years on YouTube so enjoyable. I honestly love making videos for my little unicorn babies. I have so much freaking fun. And when I go out and I meet you all, it's just so much fun. So thank you for everything that you've ever done for me. Thank you for all the likes, all of the videos that you've watched. Thank you. I really hope you were able to snatch an Amazon gift card. If not, here is one. Boom, that's a surprise. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from